Just a short video to show the Freeplay AMFM self-powered radio. It's got a telescopic aerial, comes in a nice see-through translucent green colour. On the sides, AM/FM switch, DC voltage, can't see the pipe because it's self-powered, headphone socket. On the front, tuning, on and off and volume. Wheels got a little bit of red to the black, it's just on the edge come off. And solar powered and wind up. Solar powered works, put it in the sun, works instantly. It doesn't charge batteries, it just purely works via sunlight. And the wind up, I'll show you it working. Should be able to do this one-handed. I don't get my hand in front of the camera. Actually, I will put that down. So it looks turning inside.
Peel or not to peel. Good. To pick it to burn or not to burn. Sort of what does it like work? Getting us into the news. I was looking to see if there was some sort of news.
So it's in perfect working order. It's nice and clean. Does have very light scratches. Model number is 96/6472. Even while the radio is off, the clockwork it will just wind itself down. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please ask.